Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. And if you are new, hi and welcome. This channel is all about things that I purchase, things that I like, my reviews, my thoughts, and unboxing and how I keep my handbags cleaned and where I buy them from. So today I'm going to be talking about this guy here. If you see my prior videos, you saw that I bought this pre-loved from a Facebook group, and I must tell you that I love it. I have been wanting it for a while now, but I couldn't find it anywhere. I went to a few of the Louis Vuitton stores, even when I was out in Vegas, they didn't have it. I tried to buy it online, sold out, and I wanted the monogram print. So I had posted on the Facebook group that I was in search for one of them. Probably about a week goes by or a few days, and this reseller contacts me. It was super late. I was out with my girlfriend, and she's like, "Oh, I have this, blah blah blah. Do you want it?" She's made pictures. I said yes, and she shipped it, and I got it within like 2-3 days later, and I only paid $150. So that was a steal for me. I forgot what year this is made, and I forgot the number already, but anyways, I got authenticated. It's authentic and I really like it. I think it's a great investment, and the fact that I got it for way under retail makes my soul super happy. Anyways, it wasn't perfect. As you can see, it has a little bit of discoloration right here. I don't care. I mean, with time, and this is over probably, I think it's over 10 years old now. Probably even over 15 years old, I forgot. But this is a minor thing. I mean, there's no cracks, there's no tears. Everything was great inside and out, and it still smelled like leather. So I was happy with my purchase. It came with a dust bag, so I'm loving it. Now, one thing that I'm gonna review with you that it took me a minute to figure out was, well, longer than a minute. It took me a bit to figure out, and the lady that I bought it from actually wrote on the card, you know, it's kind of tricky to figure out how to open and lock this. So she said, please YouTube it. So all you gotta do is, you don't push out, you don't push in, you're going to lift up and pull out. To close it, push it up and, oops, push it up and release. One more time, push it up and out. To close it, bring it in, like that. So if you are gonna buy this, you may want to try what I did. Just try to like regular push it in. Yeah, it's not gonna work. So just push up and out. To close it, push it back in and clip it down here. I sometimes, when I'm kind of on the go, I just grab this and I go, because it has everything I need inside here. So let's check what I have inside. I'm not even sure what's in here because I keep changing it depending on what I need. So let's see. Some cash. I don't always have cash, but I forgot how I got this. Anyways, the green goes there, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cards in here. Debit and credit cards, and one of them is my ID. I think I had up to 13 cards in this guy, but I had taken some out. Oh, have a penny. Don't know where he came from, but let me show you when it's empty. It is this flat. When I put all my stuff in here, it's normally not this packed, but I have been doing some shopping lately, so instead of using my big normal wallet that I normally use, I've been using this guy because it's just so convenient. There you go. So it does get a little thicker, but you can see that there's still some room in here, and it closes easily. And I do have my cards attached to here. The first week that I got this, all I carried was my ID, one debit card, and my keys were inside. So that fit fine actually. I'm gonna show you how that looks. So what I'll do is put one card, some cash, and I'll put that in there. So see how it all fits in here? And you can just clip this to the handle of your purse. I have clipped it to the D-ring inside my Speedy, and it just makes it so much easier to find too. However, if you are someone like I am sometimes, where you can easily misplace stuff, maybe you should carry a bigger bag and put this inside the bag and clip it on there so you don't lose it. So I haven't done that yet, but I haven't owned it for that long, so I hope I don't do that. But see, you can fit whatever you like in here. I like to keep my key outside because sometimes the sensor to opening my vehicle doesn't always catch what's in here. So I just keep it on the side like that. So yes, ever since I bought this, I have not used my regular wallet, and it keeps my purse feeling lighter. I think because my wallet was pretty big and it had a lot of compartments. What is going on here? There we go. So it kept my bag, it weighted down, so it made it heavier. This doesn't, and all I carry now in my purse is this, my makeup bag, and whatever, water bottle or whatever the case is. But like I said, when I'm on the go, or I'm not sure which purse I want to use that day, because I like to switch my bags daily or weekly or whatever the case is, or for the occasion. But now when I'm just like, oh, I'm gonna go to the store real quick, I just grab this and I go, because that's everything I need. All my cards are in here, my money, and my keys are attached. This and my cell phone. So I know that this comes in multiple prints. They have like the older ones come in Epi. They have the monogram, the ebony demier, and the white with gray, which I always forget the names. You know, I'm not too good with all these fancy words, so if you're an LV follower, you're gonna know the different prints. But I really wanted the monogram. I'm really happy with it. I love it, and I really recommend for you guys to have this, especially if you want to make your bag lighter. This is a great way to go because you can attach everything to it, just like I did. However, it has multiple purposes. You can use it however you like, and yeah, I'm really happy with it. Okay, so that's it. I think that's all I want to say about this product. And if you have any comments, please comment below. If you're planning to get one, share with us which one you wanted to get. Or if you already own one and you want to share how you use it or your wear and tear on it, please go ahead and comment below. I love to hear from you guys. I love to stay connected with you guys. And if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. It really helps me. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it and you would like to see more content like this. That's it. Thanks, guys.